Rebuilding trust takes time, but speaking truth over your relationship daily can help you heal together. Affirmation 1, I choose to believe in our healing. Affirmation 2, we're both committed to our rebuilding. Affirmation 3, I will communicate openly and honestly. Affirmation 4, I choose forgiveness over resentment. Affirmation 5, we're creating new memories of trust. Affirmation 6, our love is stronger than our past mistakes. Affirmation 7, every day we choose each other again. Say these with me daily and watch your bond grow stronger one choice at a time.